OnePlus has launched its new N-series phone in India called Oneplus N6 with a massive battery pack. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus N6 features a tall 6.8-inch HD+ IPS display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6360 Apex chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM that can be virtually expanded up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In the camera department, the OnePlus N6 sports a 50-megapixel primary rear camera with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Oxygen OS 16 skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system for better thermal management during heavy usage. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.47 by 78.23 by 8.88 millimeters, and it weighs around 224 grams. Now coming to the pricing details. The OnePlus N6 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 22,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 4th in fresh mint and midnight green color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus N6 smartphone? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.